Hello students, today we'll take up the session on one of the bio-macromolecule, that is proteins. Proteins are the important biomolecule needed by all the living organisms. They are the polymers of amino acids and are linked together by a peptide bond. Therefore, they are also known as polypeptides. Amino acids that involve in making of proteins can be classified as essential amino acid and non-essential amino acids. Essential amino acids are found in our diet, while non-essential amino acids are synthesized by our own body. There are 21 different types of amino acid that come together to form proteins, and therefore proteins are also known as heteropolymers. Proteins form interesting structures. They have 4 different types of structure. These structures include primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary. Let us talk each of them. The first one is the primary structure. It is the simplest structure, like a line having linear sequence of amino acids present in a protein. These amino acids are attached to each other by a peptide bond. So they have first amino acid at the left hand side and right hand side is the last amino acid. The first amino acid is also called as N-terminal and the last amino acid is called as C-terminal amino acid. Now let us see the secondary structure. In secondary structure of protein, amino acids links get longer and due to the heaviness of the molecule, it tends to band. This preliminary banding is called as secondary structure. It is either an alpha helix or beta sheets. Now let us see the third tertiary structure. It refers to the 3-dimensional structure of entire peptide chain. This chain is folded upon itself like a hollow woolen ball. Tertiary structure is absolutely necessary for the many biological activities of proteins. Now the last one, the quaternary structure. The fourth structure is very complex structure. This structure is formed by several protein molecules or polypeptides, also known as protein subunits. These subunits are arranged as a linear string of spheres, arranged one upon each other in the form of cube or plate. If I am taking example of human hemoglobin, adult human hemoglobin consists of 4 subunits, 2 of which are identical to each other. Therefore, 2 are referred as alpha subunits and 2 are beta type subunits. Collectively form human hemoglobin. Some of the common examples of protein we come across are collagen, ribosco, trypsin, insulin, antibodies, receptor and GLUT4. So here are the 4 different structures of protein we come across. They are primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary structures. Thank you everyone.